What's up everybody, good morning, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Dogecoin. I wanted to give you my thoughts, just a daily update in general as well, because what's going on with Dogecoin right now is that, purely technically we're quite bearish, alright? Yesterday the markets in the morning at least were quite healthy, I would say. But what we talked about is that if we actually want to see a relatively neutral Dogecoin and a potentially bullish Dogecoin, we need to break above this level right here at 16.5 cents. And we reached that level in the morning, but we rejected off that quite heavily. So I don't necessarily, look, if you really zoom out, then this is not necessarily a bearish market structure, all right? So I don't want to call Dogecoin bearish technically. But if you really zoom in, like here in the short-term time frame, this is bearish, all right? Especially with the bearish confirmations, the rejections we're getting, it's bearish. And then apart from that, what's also true is that Elon Musk actually yesterday tweeted about Dogecoin, and we barely got any reaction. Which is, I mean, you saw a little bit of a reaction. I mean, you can see it right here, for example. We got, oh, that's the wrong one. We got a little bit of a reaction, but that's, I mean, it very quickly disappeared. I think it was around this time right here. See, what is true is that if you look at Dogecoin right here and you compare it to Bitcoin over the last 24 hours, Dogecoin has held up pretty well. All right, so that's true. That's quite bullish. But in the end, right now, the main level we still need to break above is that level between 16.5 and 16.7 cents. And the main question, in my opinion, is can we do that? And I think the answer is yes. I do think we can do that, but it still very much depends on what Bitcoin does. All right, if you look at Dogecoin right now, we are gaining momentum sometimes. I mean, like yesterday evening, we actually gained quite some momentum. And there is, I guess you could see some sort of an uptrend right here in how the momentum is developing, but it's not strong enough. All right, the last few times that Dogecoin actually was bullish, you get something like this. Like this is continued, and this is strong buying, and this is just trading. This is just buying and selling. So yeah, in general, Dogecoin can do it, but again, and this is very boring to say, I know, but it's the truth. Dogecoin at this point of time is just very reliant on Bitcoin. And the example that we did not really move after the tweet of Elon Musk yesterday is another confirmation of that. The correlation between Dogecoin and Bitcoin right now is 97%. And in general, meme coins just don't tend to do well if the market is not doing great. So if Bitcoin today can break above 65,000, if we can see the unrest in the world drop down a little bit, then that is possible. Then Dogecoin can break above 16.5 cents and rally back up to 18.5 cents. And who knows what's possible with 420 coming up. However, it's more likely, under the current circumstances where Dogecoin does not have a lot of momentum, where Bitcoin has not gotten that bullish breakout, it's most likely to assume that we'll just continue to drop back down towards 13.5 and 13 and 12.5 cents ultimately. And this is, I mean, I don't necessarily think we're going to give up that level. Like I said, if you really zoom out, we are still consolidating, right? So I don't think that we're going to get a massive bearish breakout or a crash below that. But without the bullish Bitcoin and without momentum coming in for Dogecoin, it is more likely that we're going to continue the way we are moving right now than it is that we're going to get a reversal. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.